So you can see how I rearranged the clamping. This will give me the ability to drill all 4 holes at once without possibly running into the jaw. So here I have installed the pilot hole. In this case, it's a 1/4 inch, which happens to be the final diameter of these guys, but that's okay because these are just going to receive a flathead screw. These, however, need to have a more critical, a finished hole to begin before I thread them. And so anyway, normally you do go with a pilot hole smaller than the diameter, but no big deal for the ones on the end. All right, we're lined up.